My name is Luna and I'm married and I have 2 kids. 5 years ago, I was working at a small pharmaceutical company with my friend Sonia. We were both relatively new to the industry, but we were both eager to learn and make a difference. Sonia was one of the smartest and most hardworking people I've ever met. She was always willing to go the extra mile, and she was always looking for ways to improve our processes and products. One day, Sonia and I were working on a new drug that was being developed to treat a rare and debilitating disease. We were both excited about the potential of this drug, but we knew that it would be a long and difficult road to get it approved. We spent months working on the drug, and we made a lot of progress. But then, we hit a snag. We couldn't seem to get the drug to work consistently in animal trials. We were both starting to get discouraged, but Sonia refused to give up. She kept working on the problem, day and night. And finally, after several weeks, she had a breakthrough. She discovered a slight change in the formulation of the drug that made it much more effective. We were both so excited about Sonia's discovery. We knew that it was a major step forward in the development of this drug. We continued to work on the drug, and we eventually got it approved for clinical trials. The trials were a success, and the drug is now on the market, helping patients with this rare disease. I'm so grateful for Sonia's dedication and hard work. She's an inspiration to me, and I'm lucky to have her as a friend. I'm proud to be a part of the pharmaceutical industry. We're working on some of the most important and challenging problems facing humanity today. And I'm excited to see what the future holds. We continued to work on the drug, and we eventually got it approved for clinical trials. The trials were a success, and the drug is now on the market, helping patients with this rare disease. But something wasn't right. Some of the patients who were taking the drug were experiencing strange side effects. They were having nightmares, hallucinations, and even delusions. Some of them were even becoming violent. At first, we thought that these side effects were just a coincidence. But as more and more patients reported them, we started to get worried. We launched an investigation, but we couldn't find any evidence that the drug was causing the side effects. We checked all of our data, and we even had independent experts review our work. But everything seemed to be in order. We were starting to feel baffled and frustrated. We didn't know what was causing the side effects, and we didn't know how to stop them. One day, I was working late in the lab when I heard a noise. I turned around and saw Sonia standing in the doorway. She was looking at me with a strange expression on her face. "Luna," she said, "I think I know what's wrong with the drug." "What do you mean?" I asked. "I think it's making people crazy," she said. I laughed at first. I thought she was joking. But then I saw the look in her eyes. She was serious. "How do you know that?" I asked. "I've been having the same side effects," she said. "The nightmares, the hallucinations, the delusions. I'm scared, Luna." I didn't know what to say. I was scared too. But I knew that we had to do something. We decided to go to the authorities. We told them everything we knew about the drug and the side effects that we were experiencing. At first, they were skeptical. They didn't believe that the drug could be causing the side effects. But we convinced them to investigate. The authorities launched a full investigation, and they eventually found evidence that the drug was indeed causing the side effects. They ordered the drug to be pulled from the market, but it was too late. The drug had already caused irreversible damage to the people who had taken it. Some of them were completely insane. Others were so traumatized that they could barely function. Sonia and I were lucky. We were able to recover from the side effects, but we were both scarred by the experience. We still don't know exactly how the drug caused the side effects. But we do know that it was a dangerous drug, and we're grateful that it was pulled from the market. But sometimes, I still have nightmares about the drug. I still see the faces of the people who were hurt by it. And I still wonder what could have happened if we hadn't stopped it in time. Sonia and I left the pharmaceutical industry after that. We couldn't bear to work on drugs that could potentially harm people. We both started our own businesses, and we've been successful. But we've never forgotten what happened with that drug. Every day, we see news stories about new drugs being approved. And every time, we wonder if those drugs are safe. We wonder if they're causing the same side effects that we experienced. We know that we can't stop the pharmaceutical industry from developing new drugs. But we can try to raise awareness of the potential risks. We can try to make sure that people are informed about the side effects of the drugs they're taking. That's why we started writing a book. We're writing about our experiences with the drug, and we're writing about the risks of pharmaceutical drugs in general. We want to warn people about the dangers of these drugs. We want people to be aware of the potential side effects, and we want them to make informed decisions about their health. We know that our book won't change the world overnight. But we hope that it will make a difference. We hope that it will save some people from the same pain that we experienced. One day, we hope to finish our book and get it published. We hope that it will reach a wide audience, and that it will help to make the world a safer place for patients.